Salam friendships! So here's the full video of the Northern Blossom Flower Farm family tour in Atok, Benguet. We left our home at 11:20 p.m. and we rented a van, of course, sa Rigondes Travel and Tours. Since our family started our annual travels, sila talaga yung nire-rent namin, lalo na pag malalayo kasi very comfortable kami sa mga vans nila and most especially, we feel safe. The owner of this travel and tour business is my BFF's family, kaya sobrang trusted ko sila. And also, we consider them na family na rin talaga. Sa lahat ng family land travels namin, sila talaga yung kasama namin, mapakabundukan pa man yan or tawid dagat. Very knowledgeable rin sila sa mga tourist destinations. They will also suggest some places na pwedeng side trip aside sa pinaka-destinations nyo with a minimal additional fee. They make sure na happy and satisfied kayo sa tour kaya highly recommended ko sila. And also, hindi kayo maboboring sa biyahe kasi may pa-video pa. So, they are offering different tour packages. You may visit their FB page for inquiries. They can also customize tour for you. Sobrang bilis nila kausap. We arrived in Atok, Benguet at 6:15 in the morning. Sobrang lamig mga friendships. Anyway, before kayo mag-start ng tour, you need to register and pay environmental fee of 50 pesos per pax. 40 naman for PWD and senior citizen. 0 to 5 years old is free. This environmental fee naman is valid na sa lahat ng tourist destinations na pwede niyong puntahan. After namin magbayad, nagpunta na kami sa The Northern Blossom. Take note na mas maganda mas maaga para hindi masyadong maraming tao and hindi rin kayo abutan ng init. Also, closed sila every Sunday. Ang rate nga pala is 250 pesos each. For senior citizen, PWD, and kids na 6 to 10 is 200. 5 years old and below is free, though meron din silang ibibigay na ticket for them. Yung rate na yon included na yung unlimited coffee and a pack of kabayan bread. In fairness, ang sarap. Once you have your tickets, proceed na kayo sa entrance. So, this is the entrance and upon entering, merong local na mag-orient na sa inyo about do's and don'ts and other important stuff. It will only take a minute or two lang naman. Best time to visit pala here is when flowers are in full bloom, which is January to April. Right after entering, you will see pretty flowers na agad. You may take pictures na rin kasi hindi na kayo makakabalik sa spot kasi iba yung exit nila and meron certain paths sila to follow for you to reach different areas of different flower fields. Again, agahan nyo mga friendships kasi once na marami ng tao, may line na sa mga photo spots. Aside from gleaming and stunning flowers, sobrang na-appreciate namin yung mountain view, especially when having coffee. Grabe, sobrang ganda. Looking at it, I felt serenity and tranquility. The panorama of mountains is indeed a masterpiece of nature. These flower video clips were personally taken by me. I didn't enhance it. It is what it is. And I am not really good at taking videos. Still learning though. Pero ang ganda pa rin ang kinalabasan, diba? I think it's because the flowers are effortlessly flaunting their beauties. What I was really amazed is the rosemary plant na grabe, sobrang lush at pang landscape lang nila. This is actually one of my favorite herbs sa garden namin na nahihirapan akong i-maintain. Sobrang bango kasi and best for steak. This is the cafe and also the last part of the tour. Dito nyo i-claim yung free coffee and bread nyo. Again, their coffee is unlimited and it's kapeng barako. Meron din tong spacious second floor kung wala na kayong makitang seats sa baba. Dito rin yung souvenir shop nila upon exit. That's it, friendships. Next video will be about our tour at Mount Oles and where we stayed overnight still here in Atok, Benguet. Follow if you want to know more about it. Shukran for watching!